908, that's the perimeter. On the east side, I'm the calm storm. Guess I'm something like a limiter. Yeah, I'm something like a limiter. She too much, I got a limiter. While me and bro in the back, yeah, sipping goose, no Canada. Sipping goose, no Canada. Sipping goose, no Canada. I'm the truth, let me show the proof. Looking super clean, no janitor. Super clean, no.
What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Stevie D with GSG Reviews. I'm back again with another banger. This one is brought to you by Harlem Bling. Yeah, I said it, Harlem Bling. Comment, like, subscribe, promote if you can. Let me shout out my alpha generals, generalettes, alpha male, alpha females in the building. You heard. And without further ado, you know what I mean? Wait. Before we move on, I want to make an announcement. I got more videos coming to you guys, and I'm making a giveaway announcement. Sometime this weekend, so please stay tuned. I'm doing a giveaway for sometime next week. So when I drop the video this weekend, please follow instructions, you know what I mean, and help me get my subs up. So without further ado, let's get to the video. What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Stevie D with GSG Reviews. I'm back again with another banger, like I said. And without any further more talking, like I said in the intro, what I got here for y'all today is a moissanite piece, Moissanite by Harlem Bling. Yes, another one. This right here is a moissanite Jesus piece, and I'm kind of excited for this one. So without further ado, let's get to the video. See the box, y'all know Harlem Bling boxes, man, are more simple, you know what I mean? Y'all already know what I say, sometimes less is more. Got a nice lift top box, gold, you know what I mean? Open up the box, there's nothing special about the box too much, ain't nothing in it. Nice and cushioned, you know what I mean? Can't complain about that. Got that piece in plastic, and y'all already know plastic be the ops. This is the piece right here, bang, take a look at it, man. Nothing crazy. Nothing too much as you would think, but no, this one is a lot more different, you know what I mean? In a later video, I will explain what moissanite exactly is, but this one is a lot different because this is not your regular CZ stone. This is moissanite, as I'm always saying, you know what I mean? As you know, moissanite is a diamond alternative, and they do pass the diamond tester, you know what I mean? Or they're supposed to, at least. If you stay to the end of the video, man, I will show how they pass the diamond tester, and I will show you on the neck, you know what I mean, to show you what it looks like. So this is the piece right here. As you can see, they got stones in the eyes, stones in the beard, stones in the hair, and stones in the crown. This piece right here is the medium piece. Man, this is the 925 silver version. They got a cage back, you know what I mean? Can't be too mad at the cage back, you know what I mean? Let's look at the bill again. Look at the face. Look at the detailing of this, man. Look at them stones, man. They glisten, man. This thing is nice. I like it. Y'all let me know what y'all think about this thing, man. Let's look for the 925 sterling silver stamp. As you can see, it's right here. Bam! Stamped and certified. Medium size Jesus piece moissanite. You know what I mean? This thing is beautiful, man. I like it. I love it. I can't wait to wear it, man. Look at this, man. Look at the detailing, man. This thing is beautiful. I don't know. Y'all let me know what y'all think about this, man. I know what y'all want to know, though, man. Hey, yo, Stevie D, man. How much is that thing? That thing looks crazy. This beautiful moissanite Jesus piece right here is a whopping $259. Yeah, I said it. $259. That's roughly 260 bucks, you feel me? 260 bucks, and I must say this is the cheapest you're gonna find it on the market, because any moissanite pendant you find, you know what I mean, if you look anywhere, it's gonna be really expensive, you feel me? Although it's a diamond alternative, it's still apparently pricey out here in these streets, you know what I mean? Y'all let me know what y'all think about this thing, man. I'm gonna turn it around for y'all real quick. Y'all see these stones everywhere, stones in the eyes, stones in the beard, stones in the crown, cage back. Y'all see the silver stamp, man. I like this thing, man. I'm excited. I can't wait to wear it. You feel me? You know what I mean? Take a look at it, man. 260 bucks. Go head over to Harlem Bling right now. You know what I mean? And as y'all know, a lot of times, most of the time, when you buy a piece from Harlem Bling, They come with a coupon code that you can use. Harlem20, you know what I mean? Go check them out and use Harlem20 for 20% off. And guess what? I was gonna say Harlem20. Sorry, excuse me. Harlem Bling also uses the app Suzzle, in which where you break your payments into 4 different payments, and after the initial payment, off your product goes. You know what I mean? So go head over to Harlem Bling right now, man. Go get your moissanite on, man. They got earrings, chains, bracelets. They got everything in moissanite at this point, man. Not much more to say about this thing, man. 1, 2, 3, I'm out.
So what I got here for y'all right now is the diamond test, you know what I mean? You're gonna see it hit in a minute. It's hard to hit the stones because they're small stones, but if you look closely, I think I hit the eyes right here and they hit, you feel me? It's hard to hit the stone when they're small and they're surrounded by a bunch of metal. I'm gonna try it again. Had a bunch of fails, but then boom, eventually you see in the video that I finally hit the stone and they actually pass. You feel me? You heard what I got here for y'all right now. It's an on the neck view, you know what I mean, with a tennis chain on how it looks on the neck. Y'all tell me what y'all think about this thing. Y'all let me know if y'all like it, if y'all don't like it, if y'all will wear it, or if y'all wouldn't wear it. You feel me? Okay, so what I got here for y'all right now is the shine test, man. This thing shines. I like the shine on it. Y'all let me know if y'all like the shine quality factor or not. You know what I mean? 1, 2, 3. I'm officially out.